It's been years since I made a video about my journal collections. Throughout the years, I have stopped writing in a few journals while adding new ones to my list. Unfortunately, I didn't bring some of them with me here in Sydney. However, today I'll show you the number of journals I write. But please note that I don't write this every day. For those who are unsure about what to write in journal, this video will provide some ideas and inspiration. So, let's begin. Let's start with this journal that was gifted to me by my husband in 2015 when we were dating. Initially, I used this journal to write down all my YouTube contents. However, these days I don't use it for that purpose anymore. Instead, I occasionally use it for taking some notes during meetings with my assistant. This particular journal holds a special place in my heart as I'm emotionally attached to it. Many people often wonder what to do with their journals once they have finished filling its pages. In my case, some journals I keep safely, but for others, I tear out the pages and dispose them in the recycle bin. Now let's move on to this journal, which is my Law of Attraction journal. As someone who enjoys reading self-help books and materials related to Law of Attraction, I find it valuable to take notes on important lines and quotes that resonate with me. I purchased this journal here in Sydney. In the past few months, I haven't had much time to dedicate to writing this journal. However, I plan to get back into the habit soon, especially when I start reading books again. Next, we have my favorite journal, which is my memory journal. Many of you who have been following me for a long time are familiar with this journal. It holds a special place in my heart as it allows me to collect and preserve various mementos and keepsakes from different moments in my life. In this journal, I gathered things like currency notes, receipts, flyers, even flowers. Each item represents a memory, and flipping through the pages take me on a nostalgic journey down memory lane. For example, I have pressed a flower that I collected last year during my visit to Blue Mountain. On our anniversary, I gathered numerous autumn leaves, and I carefully keep them within the pages of this journal. These leaves hold sentimental values, and in future when I'm older, I can go through these pages and recall the cherished moment associated with them. My next journal is Gratitude Journal. This journal serves as a daily reminder to acknowledge and appreciate the things I am grateful for in my life. It is a powerful tool that helps me to cultivate a positive mindset and shift my focus towards abundance. In this journal, I write down things that I am grateful for, such as having a beautiful house, good health, fulfilling job, access to electricity, internet, clean water, transportation, and so much more. I have always talked about this particular journal, and I am delighted to share that whatever I have written in this journal so far has almost all manifested. It is truly remarkable to witness the power of manifestation in action, but consistency is the key. Try it for 3 months continuously without any break. Any question related to this journal, please comment down below. Now let's talk about this journal that I haven't started writing in yet. It is a food journal. My idea is to take pictures of food using an instant camera and then include them in this journal. Alongside the photos, I'll note down the date, the quality of the food, location of the restaurant, or any relevant details that come to mind. The next journal I have is my video ideas journal. This journal serves as a space for me to capture and explore my ideas, as well as reflect on videos that have inspired me. Next, I have my planner, which is not a journal, but I wanted to showcase it as it can provide ideas how to fill a notebook or diary. A planner is a great tool for organizing your schedule, managing your tasks, and staying on top of your commitments. Whether you have a dedicated planner or create your own using a notebook, the key is to find a system that suits your needs and makes it enjoyable for you to plan, track, and reflect on your journey. And this one is miscellaneous. I write whatever comes in my mind. Sometimes I write it as a script journal. Sometimes I use it for law of attraction. So these are my journals. I hope you got some idea how to fill your notebook or diary or journals. If you have any queries, please comment down below. I'll be happy to answer you. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and liking this video. What video you want to see next? Please comment down below. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.